हेलो गाइस। तो हम लोग अभी अपना फर्स्ट पार्ट शुरू कर रहे हैं इस वीडियो में, जो कि वीडियो है नंबर सिस्टम का। सेवरल किड्स और बहुत सारे बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होता है नंबर सिस्टम में डील करने में, ठीक है। तो काफ़ी एक बेसिक तरीका मैं बताने वाला हूँ नंबर सिस्टम का कि कैसे आप सॉल्व करो कि क्लास 1 का बच्चा विल बी इक्वल टू द स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 7। द मेथड इज द वेरी सिंपल मेथड, ठीक है। तो जब जो मैं मेथड बताने वाला हूँ, आपको ये मेथड बताना हूँ नंबर सिस्टम में कैसे ऑपरेट करते हैं। बिकॉज जो मेथड आज मैं यहाँ डील करूँगा उस मेथड से क्लास 1 का बच्चा हो, क्लास 7 का हो, तो बच्चा हो, दोनों इक्वल रहेंगे इस चैप्टर में, ठीक है। तो जिस किड को भी आपके किड को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है नंबर को डील करने में, तो आप उन्हें इस वीडियो को दिखा सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो आज हम जो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं टॉपिक वो है नंबर सिस्टम, ठीक है। So number system basically we're going to deal with number name. So it is not number system. We have two types of number system. First is Indian system and the second is international system. What is this? These two systems are these systems means the two way to write the number name. Okay, like what is the Indian system and what is the international system? We will deal with Indian system first. Haji, the Indian system is like this, that it is Indian system. Okay. Indian system, and then comes the international system. International system. So the difference is this, that the kids from class 1 to class 5th are gonna deal with Indian system. उन्हें Indian systems का बस यूज करना है class 1 to 5th, but from class 5th to 7th we have this international system. But it does not mean that Indian system is absent here, it is also there. So basically the Indian system is from 5th to 7 also and from 7 to 5th also. But the method which I gonna deal here will tell you to write the number system of any level of anything which I will make you know here, ठीक है। So the method is quite simple. So we gonna deal with Indian system first, ठीक। Now the Indian system is the method is like this. First of all we have to write in Indian system we have to do like this. Indian system is the first we have to deal with the place value place value name. What is the place value name? Place value name is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore, and then 10 crore. Okay, I am going to crore, and the level is class 1. The kid of class 1 can also solve it, and the boy of class 7 can also solve it. Okay, now what's the method? The logic is the remember this place value. Okay, you just repeat it once, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Repeat it once in your mind, and just write it down here from here. Okay, this method. Why? Because what I'm gonna say is just tens. Here tens have some meaning in this number system. 10 says take two number, दो नंबर लो. 10 है तो दो नंबर लो, ठीक है। तो now 10 है तो दो नंबर लो, 1000 है तो दो नंबर लो, 10 लाख है दो नंबर लो, 10 करोड़ है दो नंबर लो. This is the commas also. This is the commas also. Here it is 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma. Okay. Now done. Now comes let us take an example. Okay, let us take an example. The example is like this. Suppose we had taken a number 5 6 8 2 3 7. Okay, 5 6 8 2 3 7. Okay, now put the place value name over the digit. Okay, now it is ones, it is tens, it is 100, now 1000, 10,000, and then lakh. Okay, I am going to lakh, and I can guarantee if you follow this method, if it is a class first student or if it is a class second student, he can do it. Okay, now the number is 7 lakh. Watch the number देखो, number is 7. ऊपर देखो, what is ऊपर it is lakh. Now write the number 7 lakh. Okay, 7 lakh. Done. 7 lakh. Now number is 3, and then what is above 10,000. Then take two number, 32,000. Okay, 32,000. 32,000 32,000 ठीक है 32,000 take the number as 32,000 ठीक है why because we take two number why because above it there is 10,000 now comes the next number is 8 what's above it it's about 100 above it now the 800 now it is 800 HUNDRED ठीक है 8HUNDRED done now the number is 6 what's the number what's above it it's there is 10 then take two number it's 65 so to write this to get this done we have this like that see if it is 1000 what the kid have to learn if a boy is too small to get it first of all let him learn the numbers to like 1 spelling of 1 to 10 then 10 to 20 and then after that 30 40 50 because there is a analogy between the numbers what is the number see suppose this is 6 then what is 16 SIXTEEN what the difference is there just add teen in 6 spelling of 6 we get 16 now add TY SIXTY 60 it is 6T now the number is just add TY here it is 6 here it is 6 here it is 6 if the kid is knowing the spelling of 6 then he is knowing the spelling of 16 and 60 okay? Now the spelling is 7 okay what is 7 now what is the spelling of 17 it is just 7 plus teen 17 okay so simple to learn just learn the spelling of 7 and then put teen in it okay done now what is 70 just write the spelling of 7 now put TY okay now if you had learned the spelling to 1 to if you know the spelling to 1 to 10 then the spelling you know the spelling of the full up till 100 and if you know the spelling up to 100 you can deal with the we can deal with the every number up till anywhere okay by this logic okay the number is 7,32,865 done now what's the number now the next topic is in number what is expanded form the expanded form is this that how to write expanded form okay now the number is 7 okay now put 7 here and then count the number of digits after that 1 2 3 4 5 this 5 digits is there then put 5 0 2 3 4 5 50 done then plus what's the number next number is 3 now count the number after that 1 2 3 4 now put 4 0 1 2 3 4 0 done now what's the number is 2 put plus here and then put 2 what's the number 1 2 3 how many number 1 2 3 after that then put 30 then plus what's the number 8 is the number now put 8 and then put 20 then plus 6 and then 10 and then plus 5 done okay done this is called expanded form now comes the place value and face value what is the place value and face value the place value is the value of the number at that place if 7 is here it is not just 7 it is 7 lakh okay it is 7 lakh now what is the place value the place value is similar to this okay this the place value in examination we get just like that okay what is the place value of 7 in this number so we will write the place value here okay now what is the place value of 6 we will write the place value here what is the place value just I am saying कि एक ही नंबर का प्लेस वैल्यू पूछेगा 2-3 नंबर का नहीं पूछेगा लेकिन हमने सारा लिखने का बताने का तरीका बताना है कैसे लिखना है हाउ वी राइट इट we had seen the expanded form it is 7 and then 1 2 3 4 5 0 why 5 0 because here 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are there 5 numbers 5 0 similar rule is followed in place value chart okay now put 5 zeros here 1 2 3, 4, 5. This is the place value of 7 in this number. What is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 3 and then number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, then here 4 zeros. Okay. Now the similar to this one. Similar to this one. Place value of 2 is 2000. Place value of 8 is 800. Place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 5 is 5. Done. What is the face value? Face value of 7. The face value is similar to number. Number is 7, then place value is 7. Number is 3, place value is 3. Number is 2, place value is 2. 8, 8, and then 6 and 6, and then 5 and 5. So the place value and the face value. This is the place value similar to expanded form. Face value is as the number it is. The face value of number is the number itself. Okay, number itself. Now comes the question here: which digit having the same place value as that of the face value? The digit is unit place. It is called ones place number. Ones place number had the same place value as it is the number of as it is the face value. Sometimes there is question that what is the number which had the same place value as that of the same face value. So the number is the ones place number. This is number having same place value and same face value. You have to know it. Place value for PV and face value for FV. Okay, got it. Now comes successor and predecessor, the next topic. I am covering the whole topic in the single class. Okay, if you're going to read with to 20 minutes, you can deal any number, word, question, anything you can deal with up to class 7, and that does not mean from which class you are. Okay, now the successor is, what's the number successor of this number? Okay, so I'm having some numbers here. Okay, now the successor of the number. Successor. What is successor? What is successor and what is predecessor? What is predecessor? Successor and predecessor. So to know successor and predecessor, it's like successor and predecessor. So successor is, suppose we have number 4. What is the successor of this number? To get the successor of this number, we know the next number to 4 is 5. The previous number to 4 is 3. Okay, done. You know it because the number is small. So you get it that the successor to number, the successor means the next to 4 is 5. So it is 5 and previous to 4 is 3. So done. But how you will solve it? Now come to mathematics, how you will solve it. If you want to get the predecessor, notice the point, if you want to get a predecessor, you have to subtract 1. So 4 minus 1 is obviously 3, So this is the logic, this is the answer to the small number, but this is the logic to that number. This is the logic, this is the mathematics to that number, that subtract 1 from that number. Okay, now add 1 to this number, it is 5, it is successor. So we will apply the same logic here. Add 1, subtract 1. Does it mean what kind of number we have? We have to deal with the logic. Okay, what's the number is? Number is 7, 3, 2, 8, 6, 5. Now add 1 here, once you have to notice one thing, that adding 1 means, or 2 means, 3 means, 4 means, 5, all this number have just place at one's place, just once having the number, the place is once. So number will be added to ones, not to anywhere else, just one's place will be added to the one's place. So you had a foundation to add this number at last, सिर्फ आखिरी में नंबर ही जोड़ सकता है. 5 1 6. Now the इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं, 6 उतार दो. Now it is just here, done. 7 3 2 8 6 6. This is the number. Okay. Now what is the predecessor? Predecessor is, write the number again, 7 3 2 8 6 5. Now subtract 1. 5 में 1 4 6 8 2 3 7. This is the predecessor of this number. Okay, so what we have dealt till now? The first topic which we have dealt is number name. Now comes the second topic is expanded form. Third topic is place value and face value. Now the fourth is successor and predecessor. Done. This is the topics which we have deal here. Now what's the next in the number name? So I am dealing with the full number name in a single lecture. So if you gonna get the whole class, you're gonna get the whole concept of this number name anywhere. If it is anywhere asking anything, you can do anything from this chapter. Okay, now the three topics have been done. Okay. Now comes the next topic is ascending order and descending order. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order and descending order. To remember the sequence, what it is, this is a sequence of number coming. If it is ascending order, from smaller to greater, and if it is descending order, from greater to smaller. What is ascending order? How you will remember it? बच्चे भूल जाते हैं इसको कि ascending order क्या है, descending order क्या है. To know this, we have to catch the first letter. हमें पहला letter पकड़ना है. We have to catch the first letter. What is the first letter? Here it is A. Now every kid know, every people know that A is for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. Okay. Now aeroplane. Okay, done. A is for aeroplane. D is for down. Okay. What is aeroplane? What does aeroplane do? Aeroplane is on ground and then it goes on top. That means इसका मतलब कि छोटे से बड़ा. It is smaller first and then at height last. So छोटा पहले बड़ा बाद में. This is ascending order. Got it? Now what is down? Down means first it was above and then it is below. So this is descending order. First it is bigger and then smaller and then smaller. First it is bigger and then smaller. Okay, done. Now we know that this is ascending order, बड़ा से छोटा से बड़ा. Descending order, बड़ा से छोटा. Okay. Now what's the logic behind this? What's the logic behind arranging a number? We have to remember these two steps. That's a quite ultra important step in this, that how to remember these two numbers. Okay. Now the thing is greater and smaller number. How to find it? Greater and how to find. There are two rules. Two rules are there. First rule is this. Greater the number of digit, greater will be the number. ठीक है? Number ज़्यादा, greater the number of digit, greater the number. हाँ, greater the number of digit, greater the number. What is the what does it mean? Suppose it is 11 and it is 9. So which is greater? कौन सा बड़ा है? बड़ा का साइन लगाओ. The greater sign is, this one is greater sign, smaller sign, equal to sign. Just deal with the sign. This is एक बात बताने की बात है. These three signs are equal, are same thing. What does it mean? If it is greater than, if it is smaller than, if it is equal. What's the difference in both, man? If it is not equal, it might be greater or it might be smaller. So you have to deal with the same thing. There's nothing new. Okay. Now which is greater? To count the number of digits, you can obviously see this, that there is two number and there is one number. So this one is greater. Now this, the number is 2, 3, 6 and here 4, 3. Which one is greater? This one is greater. Why? Because there is three number. So now what is the number? Now what number is here? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. ठीक है? Which one is greater? Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there, and now here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. ठीक है? Now the 6 number is greater. This one is greater. Why it is? Because there is 6 digits. We don't have to know ones, tens and anything. We just have to know that how many digits are there. If it is 6 digit, it is greater. If it is 5 digit, it is smaller. You don't have to go for ones, tens, 100,000 or you have to think the number. आपको नंबर बारे नहीं सोचना है, बस ये सोचना है किसमें ज़्यादा डिजिट है. गिनती कर लो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. यहाँ 5, यहाँ 6, तो ये बड़ा है. सीधी बात है. हाँ, if it is greater, more number you cannot count by seeing it. So you have to count it literally. You have to count it by your own sense. Okay. Now comes the second one. Second method is get a number if the numbers are equal, if the digits are equal in that. Now getter the number of getter comes first, getter the digit, getter the digit, getter comes first, getter the digit. What's the getter comes first, getter the digit. So if it is 1 2 3 4 5, now it is 1 2 4 5 3. Now which one is getter? Count the digit. The digit is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Here it is 5, here it is 5. Both the numbers have same number, so you cannot use the first rule here. Now you use the second rule. What the second rule? Getter number comes first. पहले आया बड़ा नंबर तो बड़ा डिजिट है, बड़ा डिजिट है. यहाँ पे कितना है? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Here comes 1, here comes 1, here comes 2, here comes 2, here comes 3, here comes 4. It is greater. It is greater. We have not. We don't have to do anything. We just have to deal ones, tens, and 100. Okay, done. Now the number is 5 6 8 3 2. Now 5 6 4 3 2. Done. 5 6 4 3 2. ठीक है. The number what we have to deal is that count the number of digit. What number? 1 2 3 4 5 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 digit. Both have 5 digit. We cannot deal with anything. Now deal the number. Here it is 5. Here it is 5. Here it is 6. Here it is 6. Here it is 8. Here it is 4. Now this is smaller and this is greater. Just see the digit. Single digit will define which number is greater, which number is smaller. Now we can arrange any number in greater digit and a smaller digit and a smaller digit. This is the topic of ascending order and descending order. Okay. So you can arrange the number in ascending order and descending order by this method. So the fourth topic is which is ascending order. Ascending and descending order. Done. Now the sixth top. This is the whole number name topic which you used to have the questions from examination and anywhere else which are coming in this topic. The topics are 5 topics are there: number name, expanded form, place value, face value, successor, predecessor, and ascending order and descending order. Now the next is international system. Nothing new in that. International system. International system is like we have known the Indian system. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This was Indian system. Now what is international system? International is similar to this. This is Indian system. This is Indian. Okay. This is Indian system. Now international, ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, and then 10,000. Up till here it is same. From up till here there is no difference. Means up to 5 digit the Indian system and international system are same. No need to worry about the method. Just it is same up to 5 digit. Now from lakh it is converted to 100,000. The new entry is not 10,000, it is 100,000 now. Now 10 lakh is million. Crore is 10 million. 10 crore is 100 million. So up till here I will deal with this number. Okay. Now you can find the analogy to that what is equal to what. Lakh is equal to 100,000. If it is 100,000 means it is lakh. If it is 500,000 it is 5 lakh. If it is 1 million then it means it is 10 lakh. If it is 10 million it means 1 crore. If it is 100 million it means 10 crore. This is the logic behind this this arrangement. Okay. So from this chart you can see you can get from this chart you can get what is equal to what. One question is there like 1 million is equal to how much lakh. Now it is 10 lakh. Simple. We have the answer. How you get it? Just by this analogy. Okay. This is analogy of Indian and international system. Now here it is 10 lakh. What is 1 crore equal to how many lakh? How many million? 1 crore is equal to how many million? So 1 crore is equal to 10 million is equals to 10, just from this one 1 million is equals to 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Simply from this chart you can get everything. So now Indian system and international system. Indian system is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000. Up till here it is same. Or it is in Indian system or it is international system. Now from here it is different. For lakh it is 100,000. For 10 lakh it is million. For crore it is 10 million. And for 10 crore it is 100 million. So the number is like this. Suppose the number is 5, 6, 8, 3, 2, 5. Here it is number. So now we have to deal with the international system. Just there's no difference. There's a difference in the way or the method to write the number name. Okay. Now we have to again we have to write the place value name above the digit. Now write the place value name above the digit. It is ones, it is tens, it is 100. Now 1000, 10,000. Now 100,000, not lakh, it is 100,000 now, because just this is the difference. What we did, what's the number is 5. What's above it? Above it's 100,000. Now take a 3 number. If it is 100, take a 3 number. This is the difference. In Indian system we were taking if it is tens, we were taking 2 number. Now if it is 100, we gonna take 3 numbers. What the 3 number is? Now forget everything, just watch this 3 number. It is 568. So 568, 568, it is the number. Now what is the above 8? Above 8 there is 1000. So put 1000 here, put 1000 here. Done. Now this is 568,000. This is the logic in international system. Just the difference is, in international system the slot of 3 3 3 3 3, we gonna take 3 number. The commas are after 3 numbers. There is one question, put commas in the number. So in putting comma you have to follow this same series. If it is 100, take 3 number. If it is 100, take 3 number. If it is 100, take 3 number. Either it is 100 million or 100,000. Now what it is? 325, similar to the Indian system. 325. So this is all the topic in number system. So if you're gonna learn this, you're gonna learn everything from this topic. Okay. So the number is 6832895. So it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and then million, Why? Because it is international system. What's the number here? Watch the number. Number is 6, and above it is million. Number is 6, above it it is million. Now 6 million. Now comes 8. What's the number? 8 is the number. Above it there is 100,000. Now take 3 number. 832. 832. What is above 2? Above 2 it is 1000. It is 1000. So write thousands. Write thousands. Okay, done. Now what's the number next? Next number is 8, and above it it is 100. Take a 3 number. Now 895. 800. So done. This is the whole topic in the number system, which you cover from class 1st to class 7th. In your books there are several questions. Now you can attempt every question if you know the logic behind the method of solving the number system question. Okay. So this is all the questions we deal with number system. Okay. So this is all in number system. You can save this video, or you can screenshot this video anywhere you want. Like you can screenshot this one. You can screenshot the tallies which I had given. You can screenshot the number ascending order, descending order method. So you can solve every question from this logic, and you can write it down and you can do it. Okay. So this is the whole class after number system. Thank you for the concentration.